what will be the output of the following code, and what we have as the code is definition of function. Actually, two functions, one nested inside the other one. The outer function is named outer fun and receives one argument or has one parameter. Okay, and the inner function is named inner func and receives one argument or one parameter y. The outer function has a parameter x, the inner function has a parameter y. Okay, but what does the outer function do? The outer function returns the inner function. That's all it does. Whenever you invoke it or call it with a parameter or with an argument in the place of the x, it will return the inner function. That's it. What about the inner function? The inner function returns summation of two numbers. One is an argument of the outer function. The other one is an argument of the inner function. As expressed in the definition of the inner function, the argument of the outer function is represented with x, and the argument of the inner function is represented as y. Okay, the inner function, I'm repeating myself, returns summation of arguments of outer function and argument of inner function. It returns a summation, okay, of two numbers, one from the outer function as an argument to it, and the other number from the inner function as an argument passed to it. Okay, so let's look at the last line we have here. We call the outer function, pass to it as an argument the number 10, and I have said that the outer function returns the inner function. That's all it does. And here we reference what it returns, which is the inner function, as closure. Okay, so this closure refers to the inner function. Okay, and on the next line, closure, which is the inner function, is called with an argument of 5. And I have said that the inner function returns summation of arguments passed to the outer function and arguments passed to the inner function. The argument passed to the outer function is 10. The argument passed to the inner function is 5. Summation of 10 and 5 is 15. So 15 will be returned and assigned to the variable results. So on output, we will get 15. Okay, so let's see if we have 15 in the options. A 10, no. B 5, no. C 15, no. Yes. C is the right answer. Yes. D 50, no. So the right answer is C. Thank you guys.